Hi, I'm Gavin, and I'm going to make you a butternut squash soup. But instead of a butternut squash, I'm going to use a Seminole squash grown by my grandpa. Safety first, people. I'm going to wear a glove this time to protect my fingers from when I cut them. This is the flesh that you want to use. Just scoop out the seeds with a spoon or something. This is the pumpkin after I've removed all the guts. Save the seeds for roasting. You can use a vegetable peeler to remove the skin from your squash. Finished cubing my squash. Each bowl contains 2 cups of squash. One of them I'm going to use for the soup. The other, well, I'm going to make a pie. Now, for the soup, I'm going to soften 1/2 of a cup of onions with a little oil. Do this for about 5 to 10 minutes over medium heat. It's been about 10 minutes, so I'm going to add some black pepper, some bay leaves, and some thyme. Stir it in. Now I'm going to add my cubed squash and some sliced carrots, about 2/3 of a cup. And stir them up. And now I'm going to add chicken broth. And let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Now we're going to test the soup to see if it's done. I'm going to poke the vegetables with a fork. If it goes in easy, it's done. These are done. We're going to let it cool off a little bit. I'm going to use this immersion blender to make this soup uniformly smooth. It's done now. Now would be the time to salt, but I've already done that. You also should add your milk or almond milk if you're going to do that. This looks delicious.